Should we change the rules, actually?
Yeah, let's do some wacky rules.
Yeah.
That might be kind of
Wait.
fun.
Didn't we have
no,
like
let's-
These are.
Didn't we
Alright,
agree
so-
on like punishment?
Yep. So what do you, Kronii, how do you want Dez to speak for this round?
What?
I want him
What
to
is
You could
add.
do baby, Western accent.
I want him to do a cat girl. Like add nya at every
Nya.
sentence.
This is some sick shit, yeah.
Yeah, let's go. Yeah, he's doing it. Let's go.
But like it has
Okay.
to. Oh, I want to add something else. Never mind.
What more could you?
Add some cards to your deck. How about
Yeah.
that?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Just setting the playing field.
I want
I
it
have
to
green,
be
yeah.
like.
What, you want me to be more into it? Is that what you're saying? You sick fuck? What do you mean? What do you want? What do you want from me?
Well, cat girl, right?
I wanted it to be like
Yeah.
more Valley Girl.
Yeah,
What?
yeah. I
Alley
agree.
girl, cat girl.
agree.
Yeah.
You want me to be like, yeah.
Yeah.
That makes me feel weird,
good.
dude. But yeah, go for it. Wow, what a piece of shit.